Hi, my name is Miss Sabrina, and today I'm really excited to teach you the steps for how to wash your hands. Washing our hands is really important because that's how we keep good hygiene. Hygiene means that we keep our bodies clean and healthy. Now that we know what hygiene is, can you help me think about when we should wash our hands? Should we wash our hands after we go to the bathroom or after we take a shower? When should we wash our hands? Right, we should wash our hands after we go to the bathroom to keep good hygiene. Let's think of another time we should wash our hands. Should we wash our hands before we go for a walk or before we eat food? Yeah, we should wash our hands before we eat so we don't get any germs in our mouth and in our body. Can you think of another time that it's important to wash our hands? I'll give you a hint. I'm in the kitchen. What do we do in the kitchen? Right, we cook in the kitchen. And before we cook, it's a good idea to wash our hands. Let's look at the steps on how. The first step when washing our hands is to turn on the water. Next, we want to get our hands wet. I like to turn off the water, but you don't have to. Your next step is to squirt some soap into your hands. Then you want to scrub your hands. It's really important that you scrub your hands for at least 30 seconds. Scrub the insides on your palms, scrub the outsides, scrub in between your fingers, and also make sure you get under your nails. You can do this by rubbing them on your palms. I like to scrub a little up my wrist as well. Once your hands are fully scrubbed with lots of bubbles, rinse your hands. It's important to make sure all the soap gets off your hands. Now, turn off the water. I like to splash my hands down a little bit to get the water down. But the next step is to dry off your hands with a clean towel or paper towel. Thank you so much for following along on the steps for how to wash your hands. I can't wait to hear how you do practicing at home and in the classroom. If you'd like a step-by-step guide on how to do that, check the description below. Thanks.